Hi guys, my name is Tabitha and this is my little boy Slater. Today he's going to be opening up a little neon sign that I just got for him, so let's see what he thinks. Alright, open it up. Alright, let's take it out. Go ahead and grab those. This is the cord for it, so you can turn it on, and that's for hanging it up. So I customized this to say surfs up because it's going to go perfectly with his room. And now there is a little protective cover on the back that needs to be peeled off, so just make sure you get that peeled off. Here's how it looks. It looks absolutely great. The acrylic is super clear. There's no scratches or damage to it. And the neon is covered with this really soft silicone-like material, so it looks very seamless. And this is going to be great for his room right here in this little like reading nook corner that I've got for him. It'll give some evening lighting. This is going to be so perfect. So let's get it plugged up and take a look at it. All right, let's turn it on and see how it looks. Ah, cool. So that's on low. Press it one more time. Medium. And high. Oh wow, it's so bright. Very vivid. Isn't that cute? Oh, sorry, it's yours. Thanks, we'll share it. You do get a little like user manual with it and some hardware for hanging. You can just simply screw it straight into the wall with the anchors, or they've got a little chain so you could hang it from point A to point B. So here's how it looks with the little chain. They've got these little O-rings here that hook onto the pre-drilled holes. It is quite a large chain, so you could always customize the length if you wanted to. Now, if you do decide to anchor it just straight to the wall with the screws, they do provide little decorative caps, so it will still look dressed up on the wall. All right, so we got it put up. I'm gonna show you what it looks like when there's less light in the room so you can get an idea of how bright it really is. Press it one more time, and one more time. It's so bright that it doesn't really show up on camera until I get a little bit closer. So this is at high brightness. All right, so there's low brightness, medium, and high brightness. So if you guys were looking for a really great quality custom neon sign, I would definitely give these a try.